Hi guys, this is a class recap for the 7th grade. So if you're not in 7th grade, you do not have to watch this video. Find the class that you have and make sure you watch it to prepare for your quiz tomorrow. So 7th grade, we're talking about the American exploration and different countries that are trying to figure out the new world and where it is and what it has and what it can take. So we're answering questions 1 through 4. So question number 1, where did most explorers come from? That answer is going to be Spain or Europe. I'm looking for Spain or Europe. So far, we've talked about the explorers from Spain and Europe. We do know that some people came from Italy, some people came from England. So if you write that down, that's okay. But I'm really looking for Spain and Europe. Europe is the continent, Spain is a country. So Europe or Spain, that's what I'm looking for. Next, why were these explorers looking for new land? So this, I'm going to ask you for at least 3 answers, okay? So number 1, they're looking to expand their territory, expand the area that their country rules. They're also looking for gold and money. You know that people love money. So they're looking for resources. They're looking for new things that they can have, that they can trade, and that they can use for other countries and for like money. Next, it says describe at least three things that North and South America had before Christopher Columbus. So you know that South America had very wealthy Native Americans. We had the Aztecs and the Incas. They had lots of wealth, lots of gold, lots of jewels that people really wanted to take and steal. North America also had a lot of land that was just kind of unclaimed. It was just like wild land. We also had Native Americans that were here, but they didn't live in like houses or cities and things like that. They just lived in like nice tight villages. And lastly, we know that we had things like corn and potatoes that grew here wildly. Your last question, describe 2 things each that changed before the conquest of the New World. So 3 things that we talked about were the diseases that came from the people that came from Europe. They also brought diseases back to Europe from North America. Also, we talked about the horses that were brought over here. And lastly, you can talk about how they brought back to Europe potatoes, different animals, and corn. So again, if you have any questions, just email me. Hopefully I'll get it before tomorrow. Otherwise, see you then.